Before you even think about your next upgrade, before you settle for another incremental improvement, understand this. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro isn't just a watch. It's a statement. It's the ultimate fusion of cutting-edge technology and rugged endurance, designed for those who demand more than data. They demand dominance. For years, the Fenix series has been the undisputed king of outdoor multisport watches, a benchmark for adventurers, athletes, and explorers. But what's coming with the Fenix 8 Pro isn't just an evolution. It's a revolution that redefines what a wearable can truly achieve. This isn't just hype. This is a deep dive into the most compelling leaks, patent filings, and insider insights that confirm Garmin is about to unleash a beast, a device so advanced it makes the current generation look like a toy. We're talking about features you didn't even know you needed, but once you hear them, you won't be able to imagine living without them. Stay with me, because we're breaking down the 5 critical advancements that will make the Fenix 8 Pro the undisputed champion, including one killer feature nobody is talking about that could give you an almost unfair advantage in your training and adventures. The apex of design and durability, forged for extremes. Let's start with the immediate, the tangible, the build. The Fenix line has always been synonymous with indestructible quality, and the Fenix 8 Pro is poised to elevate this to an art form. Imagine a titanium unibody construction, meticulously crafted, lighter yet even more resilient than its predecessors. Rumors suggest an advanced DLC diamond-like carbon coating that isn't just for aesthetics, but provides unparalleled scratch resistance, making it impervious to the harshest environments. But the real marvel is the display. While the Fenix 7 Pro finally brought the AMOLED screen, the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to introduce a next-generation transflective AMOLED display. This isn't just brighter or more vibrant. It's a technological feat that combines the best of both worlds. The stunning clarity and color of AMOLED for daily use, with the always-on, sunlight-readable efficiency of a transflective display for extreme outdoor conditions. Imagine crystal-clear maps and data, even under direct desert sun, with an ambient light sensor that seamlessly shifts modes. It's a display designed to survive and thrive, where other smartwatches simply fail. This seamless visual experience is just the beginning of how the Fenix 8 Pro integrates into your life, whether you're scaling a mountain or strategizing in a boardroom. Beyond metrics, the AI-powered health and performance engine. The Fenix has always been a data powerhouse, but the Fenix 8 Pro transforms data into actionable intelligence. We're moving beyond simple heart rate and step counts into a realm of predictive analytics. Leaked patent filings hint at a significantly upgraded Gen 5 Elevate heart rate sensor with enhanced accuracy, especially during high-intensity workouts or in cold environments. But that's just the foundation. The real game-changer is the rumored on-device AI processing for health metrics. Imagine your watch not just telling you your HRV status, but interpreting it in real time to suggest optimal recovery protocols, anticipate overtraining, or even warn you of impending illness before symptoms appear. This isn't just about collecting data. It's about a watch that truly understands your body's unique responses to stress, training, and environment. We're hearing whispers of advanced blood pressure monitoring integrated